This is passage number 20, duration 6 minutes, speed 100 words per minute. Dictation starts now. The emergence of e-commerce platforms has fundamentally changed the shopping habits of millions of people across the globe. With just a few clicks, consumers can now order products ranging from electronics to groceries from the comfort of their homes. While this convenience is a boon for many, it has also brought unique challenges regarding the safety of transactions and the quality of good delivered. The present appeal arises from a consumer complaint where the petitioner ordered a high end smartphone during a festival sale but received a box containing a dummy unit and stones. Despite providing video evidence of the unboxing, the e-commerce giant refused to issue a refund. Para. The Learned Counsel for the appellant submitted that under the Consumer Protection e-commerce rules, every marketplace entity is required to appoint a grievance officer to address consumer complaints within a stipulated time frame. He argued that no return policy mentioned on the website cannot override the statutory rights of a consumer in cases of fraud or delivery of wrong products. It is further contended that the platform cannot be escaped its liability by claiming to be a mere intermediary between the seller and the buyer. The council urged that the principle of caveat emptor or let the buyer beware does not apply when the seller indulges in active misrepresentation. Para. On the other hand, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent company argued that they only provide a platform for third party sellers to list their products. He submitted that the responsibility for the quality and authenticity of the product lies solely with their seller and not with the marketplace. The company maintains that they had already investigated the matter and found that the product was correctly dispatched from their warehouse. According to the respondents, the petitioner might have tampered with the package after delivery to claim a fraudulent refund. They argued that the consumer forum has no jurisdiction to decide cases involving complex questions of criminal conspiracy and cheating. Para. We have examined the evidence and the terms of service of the respondent platform. It is a well settled law that e commerce entities must ensure that their advertising and descriptions of goods are accurate and misleading. The Consumer Protection Act of 2019 was specifically designed to tackle the complexities of digital trade and to protect the interest of the online shoppers. If a consumer is cheated on a platform, the platform holder must take proactive steps to identify the rogue seller and compensate the buyer. A marketplace entity cannot be allowed to enjoy the commission from the sales while washing its hands of the responsibility when a dispute arises. Para. Furthermore, the growing number of parcel swapping incidents during transit highlights the needs for more secure delivery mechanisms like open box delivery and one time password verification. The digital economy relies heavily on the trust of the consumers. If this trust is broken due to the negligence or the lack of accountability of the big players, it will adversely affect the growth of the sector. The authorities should also focus on creating a robust database of blacklisted sellers to prevent them from operating on different platforms under different names. Protecting the common man from the digital trap is essential for the success of the Digital India initiative in the long run. Para. In light of the observations, we direct the respondent company to refund the full purchase price of 50,000 rupees to the appellant within 2 weeks. We also impose a penalty of 20,000 rupees on the company for the mental agony and harassment caused to the consumer. The company is further directed to submit a report on the action taken against the specific seller involved in this transaction. The district collector is directed to ensure that the e-commerce guidelines are strictly followed in his jurisdiction. With this direction, the appeal stands allowed. No order as to courts, the registry shall communicate this order to all concerned. The entire record of the case be consigned to the record room immediately now. Over. Stop.